Greetings JC Premier distributors. Alan here from Evolutionary Health in New Zealand. Here we are on some beautiful organic barley fields situated in the deep South Island of New Zealand on the Canterbury Plains, some of the most remote places in the world and unpolluted and some of the best alluvial soil. So we're harvesting this organic barley field for the JC Premier organic barley product. Barley grass is not actually a supplement, it's a food, and being a food, it allows your body to digest all of these great nutrients, adds vitality to every area of your life. It gives you great skin, good muscle tone, helps you lose weight. And here we produce some of the finest barley grass in the world. The best time to harvest barley is when the shoots are about 20 to 30 centimetres high before it turns into a grain. It's more like a vegetable at this stage, and this is when the nutrient values are the highest in the product. You'll see that there's a milling machine which is going along cutting the barley grass, and then it's putting it into big cages on the back of the milling vehicle, and then we've got the tractor moving the cages over to the transportation, and it's just at the perfect time for harvesting. We get the young grasses as they are, and from here we transport them to the mill, which is located about 10 minutes from here, so we keep it fresh and it is processed immediately after harvest to preserve all those valuable nutrients.
Good morning, my name is Andrew McKenzie. I'm the production manager here in Canterbury, New Zealand. This is where your JC Premier organic barley comes from.
Assure Quality is a government-based accreditation service that certifies organic different businesses around New Zealand. It's a guarantee for you that strict quality standards are followed in every step of the process, from the farming right through to the processing, even through to the packaging. Only JC Premier has the best quality organic barley in the world for you and your family.
Stay healthy and
welcome to the good life.
Jonathan So, President and CEO, sees the building as a stamp of success. The foundation of this building, the House of Franchise, came from the perseverance of our franchisees and customers. Carlito Macadanding, Vice President and CFO. TokTok has been operating since the start of pandemic, catering to its sister companies, JC Worldwide.
Tita, anong tinitimpla mo?
JC Organic Barley.
Bakit ka nainom yan? Di ba pangit lasa niyan?
Hindi, masarap. Marami itong health benefits. Katulad ng legs ko, nahihirapan ako lumakad o natutulungan niya ako. Masarap. Try nyo JC Organic Barley.
At ayun nga, nakilala na natin kung sino ang founder ng House of Franchise, ng Barley, ng TokTok, ng Siomai, at ng kung ano-ano pa. Ngayon naman, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumagana yung system ng online franchising na kinuha ko. Which is yun lang naman yung kaya ko for now. Tara, tingnan natin. At unahin na nga natin ang Siomai King. Ang Siomai King, pupuntahan mo muna yung link ko. Then, pag punta mo dyan, yan na ang lalabas. Lalagay mo muna yung address mo or location mo. Tapos, yan na yung makikita mo dyan. Marami kang makikita dyan. Siopo King, Siomai King, Noodle House, Potato King, Boy Bondat, Mang Box. Marami kang makikita dyan. At saka masasarap yan. Yung mga black na, yun no, yung mga naka-black na yun, ibig sabihin nun sold out na. Ganon siya kabili, ganon siya kasarap. Bukas nyo ng JC shop, yan agad ang makikita nyo. Biruin nyo, ang daming country. Ang JC organic barley at ang skin product nila. Maraming pwedeng pagpilian dyan. Lahat ng klase ng product, marami dyan. Wait, there's more. Meron pa tayong Tok partners na pabili kung saan nyo gusto. May SM o Robinson Mall. Diba malala? Grabe to, grabe. Saan kayo makakakita ng isang package lang na lahat ng online shop pwede nyo nang mabili dito. Lahat. May pagkain ka na, may delivery ka na, may mall ka pa. Diba nandyan na lahat? Makukuha nyo ng lahat dyan in just one link. Business link. Online franchise business link lang. Diba ganon kadali? Ganon kalala ang negosyo na to. Follow the instruction lang. Sundan lang natin sa 1, 2, 3, 4 kung ano man yung orderin nyo. Sunod-sunod lang naman din yan. Madali lang naman yan eh. Tapos, ang masaya niyan, ang magaling dyan, diba? Kahit sa ang SM o Robinson kayo, meron ng automatic na magdi-deliver para sa inyo. Partner with Tok. Sila nang bahala ang mag-deliver niyan para sa inyo kung nasaan man kayong sulok sa Pilipinas. Ang ganda! O diba ang galing ng negosyo na to? Sa konting halaga na nilabas mo, meron ka ng online mall, meron ka ng franchisee, lahat ng pagkain meron ka na. Diba? Grabe, malala, sobra. So, ibang klase itong negosyo na to. Nandito na sa link na to lahat ng makikita nyo na gusto nyong makita, nandito na lahat. Ito na, malala. Tok Mall. Parang kagaya din siya ng ibang mga online, online pabili-pabili, ganito, ganyan. Ito, meron din. Lahat ng gusto nyo, hanapin nyo, kailangan nyo sa bahay, kahit hating gabi, meron tayong Tok Mall. Diba malala? O diba super ganda? O diba nakaka-excite? Sa link lang, nandun na lahat. Nandun na. Pupuntahan nyo na lang. I-click nyo na lang. Pipindutin nyo na lang. Tinatamad kayo. Gusto nyo magpunta ng Tok Mall. O di mag-Tok Mall tayo. Tok Mall. O diba? Pabili pa sabay pabili. O kung nagugutom kayo, meron din side ng pagkain. Gusto nyo ng barley, may side din ng barley. Saan kayo makakakita ng ganitong klase ng negosyo? Diba? Ito lang ang nagbigay. Ito lang, sila lang ang nakaisip ng ganitong klase ng negosyo. Sa maliit na kapital, meron ka ng link. Meron ka ng business. May pagkain ka na, may barley ka pa, may mall ka na, may rider ka pa. O diba lahat na all in one? So, ito na nga tayo. Maraming salamat kung hanggang dito napanood mo tong video na to. At sana maniwala ka sa akin na para sa'yo din itong klase ng negosyo na to. Kung hindi man, mag-order ka na lang. Please, you can order. Thank you!